All right.
What's our next segment?
What have we got next?
I want to talk Cromlech. I have become the resident Cromlech expert.
How amazing is that? So these are new sets that have come in.
These are new sets. We did have a new shipment this week.
Yep.
And as much as I'd like to say that I know a whole heap about it, I absolutely know nothing about it.
Well, why don't we just show them off?
It's really exciting, and I just wanted to show it off. And there's been a lot of movement around Cromlech lately.
Yes.
The momentum, I don't know whether it's seasonal or whether people are just getting onto it. Because we've had Cromlech for probably a year now, maybe more.
Yeah,
but
I think it's slowly
catching
the
on.
words getting out that we have it.
Word
And
is a word.
Cromlech not only have these full sets of figures, they also have quite a lot of accessory packs for customizing figures. And that's something that the gamers enjoy these days.
That's right, that's right. So let's have a look.
Can we go from the top?
Let's go from the top.
All right, so what do you got there? You got some drones. Drones is very much a thing these days, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
Well, they're being used quite heavily in Ukraine.
Not
In
sure.
the Ukraine war, we can't say that.
I don't-
So there's
not
many places that are using these, including in the future where you see these ones.
Is it?
Okay, so these are emergency drone teams. So I don't know
Emergency.
what they do. They must go out there, blow a whole heap of stuff up because they've got big guns, and then retrieve someone.
Yeah.
Is that what they'll do?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, I like it.
And then we have these here.
So do you get 3 in here? Is that just one thing spun around?
So you get 3.
3 models.
Yep.
3
and
models.
this one you get 2.
2 models.
Okay, so it's not just the different angles. There's actually 2 in there.
Okay.
Yeah, and these are resin cast, which means they've got super clean surface detail. They're going to be quite.
And you super glued them together?
Super glues them together.
I think you need to do a tutorial
Yep, probably do.
on Cromlech. What do you think?
Yep, I will do.
I think we should build one.
Yeah, we can do that. Build and paint, eh?
We can do it together and you can teach me.
Okay, we can do that.
I'm not allowed to. I need to get a note from my wife to say that I can use super glue though. If
I'll
I come
give
home with my head stuck to my hand,
I'll give you a permission slip.
all right. I have to
It will not be legally binding.
I'm not allowed to do my own tires sometimes. I have to do it when she's asleep.
What do you mean? Getting a bit of an insight there, aren't we?
No.
All right, so there you go. So there is an option here for different weaponry.
Yep.
So you can see them there.
I want the biggest ones.
Biggest ones. Okay, so the missile racks are these ones here.
And
And if you're really clever, you can get some Green Stuff World magnets,
Mm.
put them into each one, and then they'll be interchangeable.
I want you to show me how you do the glowing effect. I want to do like
Like this?
a green orc with a big red pink glowing gun.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
just looking all orcish.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah,
Why not?
I don't know. 'Cause
Yeah.
I don't know how.
Well, they've done it here, right? There's little glowy bits there, blue. Let's get in there tight. So this is the basic.
Yeah, but you wouldn't do it box art, would you? Or do you do it
Oh,
box
no,
art?
no. You don't have to do a box art. But that's the effect you're talking about, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So it looks like it's actually got a light inside and it's glowing.
yeah.
But there's no light there. It's
No,
all by
none.
paint.
No, yeah,
Only
by paint. By paint. Deceptive.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a bit deceptive.
That's right. All right, what else you got there? You got packets of stuff.
I've got some packets of stuff. Now
What's that?
tell me what I'm looking at. So this is from the same series.
Yes. So the cast enclaves.
Yeah, the cast enclave. So there's actually Gatling guns
Yes.
for the cast enclaves.
Yes.
Yeah,
So you could fit those on anything, either these droids or there's
Yeah.
probably figurines as well.
yeah, and the figurines, and
Yeah.
probably some of your existing set, I would say.
That's right.
But we've got some new armament.
Yep.
Really good for customizing your existing stuff.
Absolutely. What have we got here?
And people, I've heard other people even, super gluing it to other brands. Not that I condone that.
Yes.
but-
Well, here's an upgrade system, right?
Upgrade system.
So it's up to you to decide how the upgrade system fits. So it could be just like a plug-in thing for them to get more power. So it might be plugged into the back or plugged into one arm. It's up to you.
What do you mean?
Well, it looks like a generic type of thing.
Oh.
Hmm. And what else you got
And
there?
Got some more Gatlings.
More Gatlings. So they're slightly different Gatlings. Oh, this is a short barrel. That's a long barrel. Yep.
And I got some wheels because I thought that would look cool on this Ferrari. You could kit bash the Ferrari.
Well, we get a closer look at these.
Is that something that you would do?
I wouldn't do it. You could.
I might ask Jack to do it.
So you see how these are a resin cast?
Yep.
See how clean the detail is on the sides, but look at the treads. And they'll be just as clean all the way around. So these are used for upgrading different kinds of vehicles, or vehicles, any vehicle.
And all this stuff pig tanks. All this stuff
Yes.
comes out of Poland.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
It's all
Polish
polished.
are very good at their resin casting and their sculpting.
and they love it,
They do.
obviously.
They do indeed.
So it'd be all hand.
Mm.
Yeah,
But Cromlech don't just do resin parts; they also do the chaining
Yep, front
accessories,
Yep.
and they've got scatter for
scatter. What do you mean?
flock.
Oh.
That sort of scatter.
Yes, yes.
For doing base work,
Yes,
the rocks, all sorts of stuff like that. Dice.
dice. Do they have dice molds?
They don't have the dice molds, but they got dice.
How dice molds? It's bizarre.
Dice molds.
Yeah.
No,
We
you
need
can
to
your
make.
own.
We need to
Funky
make some
dice.
ones because we sell so many dice molds.
We do.
You can
Everyone loves making customized dice molds.
Do they?
Yeah.
You can just buy
Imagine how many
dice.
dice you can buy. I'll make heaps.
How many
if
do
you
you
got the
need?
molds, as many as you can keep.
Oh yeah.
People are probably customizing them and selling them.
Are they?
Maybe. Never know.